Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 20th of October 2024. I'll be going over my weekly analysis for SPY, weekly prediction. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts. And then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. But before getting into this video, it is important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. And let me reiterate, this is not a trading guide, not an investing guide. It is simply a log of my predictions with their rationale. So, with that out of the way, let's get into this video. Now, monthly charts, we can see, again, very similar. We had another kind of bullish month in September, and it's looking to be another bullish month in October. The interesting thing is all of this is happening while volume is consistently declining, and this is historically a telltale sign that that a trend is weakening. And although this month hasn't closed yet, these are both slightly lagged indicators, so it's gonna take a while for them to react. But the volume is a very telltale sign, and that's just something to watch out for and be careful that this uptrend is not particularly long lasting, especially when it's been going on for so long with low volume. Now, weekly charts show just a very similar pattern, just in more detail. Here again, we can see this entire uptrend here was accompanied with lower volume, extremely discouraging. However, price action is actually quite bullish, as expected. There's a long-term uptrend trend line we can see that is here, and this a very short-term, which we can see that the price is obeying as of now. So another signal we could look out for the support is when we do sell, it has to break both of these, meaning that it is quite a strong bearish movement. And let me just extend this a little bit. Yeah. So again, we had another bullish week, new record high for the S&P 500. Close. This is the highest it has ever been. RSI is now climbing up. Overarchingly, however, we can see that it's been bearish. We can see that from here to here, it's actually kind of a decline, even though price has been going up. MACD, however, did cross over here, and it's actually given us technically a good signal as of now. But we do need to see a lot more price action because it's not anywhere close to a target that someone would put for a slightly longer term investment. Now, daily charts, again, very similar. This week was kind of rocky. Although it did make a new high, we can see it was quite volatile. MACD, consistent. Again, we had a bullish signal here, and it's actually continued up for the whole time. RSI actually confirms this price action as bullish. Now, last week we didn't have a trade. This week, again, we'll buy when it crosses 586.12 and sell when it falls below 565.01. 1% target, 0.5% trailing stop loss. If neither are hit, then we will close on Friday. The weekly and monthly trend is up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.